Well, guess what? Summertime's coming around the corner here. It's already hot. We just had a fire across the street from our house, actually. We waited a couple days. But I probably should have put this up before because it would blow the smoke away. But anyways, that's what we're doing here. So, received this from a company, and it's a 54-inch ceiling fan for outdoor use. So clearly it's waterproof and all that stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and install right above us, and then we will see how it does hanging from this patio that's over 25 years old. And probably could use another paint. All right, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so I got one piece out. It has some things in it. Very nice. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just lay it out. So appears that everything's in it. It's all here. Right, shows your assembly. Very well. Batteries not included. Nice. Oh, it feels way nice. Installation wasn't hard. You just got to think about where you're going to put it. Especially with me, I had to run wire to it. Now since it's up, the flies are away. You can relax with a nice breeze. That is something every house should have if you're in an area like me. So that's just a nice, mellow, still moving air. Very nice. Now I'm gonna shut it off, keep the light on, and check out the blades. So they're like a hard plastic, and material is pretty nice actually. And what I like about it is it blends right in to my patio. Patio needs a little paint, which I have, but I certainly like this. I like it a lot. If you're interested, see the link in the description. You can find yourself one there. Doesn't it look like a Home Depot ad? Okay, bye.